Hello everybody and welcome to my first vlog about my life in Ukraine, and here is the first video about my working space. First, let's have a short overlook about the working space where I'm currently working at. I'm working for the German organization Drukarne Society Center in Slovyansk, and here is my space. Emotional. Why you emotional? Bitch, you emotional, yeah. Big shot. Peanut butter insides. Outside, cocaine white body look like Gentiles. Emotional. Why you emotional? Bitch, you emotional, yeah. Served up work for a kung fu kitty, got juice, got work, got weight, got plenty, got them, got hurt, got more, got bitchy, yeah. Top off, get topped off in the city, big top dog, and I dance on them like Diddy. Pop off and I pop back like Biddy. Yeah. And now look at it all messed up. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more, please follow my Instagram and Facebook account. There will be more activities and more such vlogs about my life in Ukraine. Peace.